Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another script log. This is going to be the first script log in the double digits, which is a very exciting experience. My name is Your German Scientist. I am a scripter for the Roblox Studio group, or I always say that, Roblox group, Refined Gentleman, and I am going to be coding today environmental factors. Oh dear. Why is that not showing up? You'll just have to give me 1 second. I apologize. Alright, so here is the new whiteboard. If you remember from last time, I had another whiteboard for the inventory system. But today, and for probably a good 5-6 days, I'm going to be coding environmental things as well as things that just have to do with the player and other things. So I should also say /player. So this is talking everything from the POV, it talks about the wind blowing, the time going by, everything like that. So yeah. So what do I want to start this episode off with? And that is a great question. I want to start out with first person. I have figured out that a first-person game would be quite nice, and a crosshair as well. So I'm also going to put crosshair. And this might take more than just this episode, but these are the two main goals of this episode, and probably the next, and maybe the next one after if it takes quite a while. Okay, so I have absolutely no experience coding the first person property into Roblox. So I'm going to quickly figure out where exactly you would find where the first person um, I cannot talk. How to make something first person. Fixed? How do I do this? Um, attach. So if I did attach and I play the game, no. Attach. Ah, yeah, no. I don't like that. Nope, nope, nope. So what we're going to do is we are going to make the camera scriptable. So if I go into here and I make it scriptable, can't move it at all, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make it custom just so I can move around in the Roblox Studio workspace. But now, after all this time doing this, actually, I'm also going to rename this script, Show and Explorer, uh, um, light script. Alright, getting rid of all of those. We are going to make a new script. And this script is going to be in server script service. And it is going to say game, wait, no, local player, players is equal to game, get service, players. Okay, so now we do players dot player added connect function. And for this one, we're not going to use a module because it's just not required to use one. We're going to say player, so no, not players, we need the individual player, so player. Then here we say player dot camera, or player dot, no, we can't do this here. I'm going to get rid of this script. We're going to make this local inside of the player scripts. And the script is going to be called camera, we'll call it first person. Okay, so I'm going to do local player is equal to game.players.local player. Then I do player dot, oh wait, no. Local camera is equal to player dot, or player dot current, no. Is it workspace dot current camera? Yes, I can do that. Okay, so we'll say if player and camera, then camera dot, what is it? I gotta go back into workspace. Workspace, current camera. What's this called? Camera dot camera type is equal to enum dot camera type dot scriptable. All right. So now if we get into the game, this is local, so it's not going to appear on the server side. We're going to go into workspace camera, and it is custom still. So why is it custom? I don't know. We'll see if there's a service. Game::get service camera. No. Video. No. Okay. So we're going to print worked to see if it even went through. It did work. So print camera dot camera type. It's scriptable. Okay. Well, I guess it just doesn't show up then. Alright. Whoa. Custom. Okay. Alright. Well, since it is scriptable, we don't have to worry about that. So we did that check. We're actually going to abstract this. So we're going to do local function, and then this is going to be called camera change, boop boop, and then inside of here we're just going to input the code, and then we're just going to do camera change, and then like that. All right. So now that we've done that, let's see what else we can do to mess with the camera. So camera dot, and let's see the properties. Here we go. We're going to do another function, and we're going to say local function camera bind, and then in here we're going to say camera dot cframe is equal to player dot character. Okay. And then it's literally just going to be that. And then we're going to say while player dot character and camera do, and then do camera bind and then await command. It does not work. So let's print yes. No, it doesn't print. So let's just say while true, do. Attempted to index nil with head. Okay, workspace. We go into workspace. Ninjishua. Head. So, can it not find the character? So let's do if. Let's do print player.character. Print player.character. See if that works. No, nil. Why is it printing nil? Okay. Well, we'll do if player.character, then, and inside the code it goes. Whoa. Okay. So, instead of doing this, actually, we're going to do game get service run service dot stepped connect camera bind, and then put the parentheses. And then, what was it? Alright, where hid dot cframe multiplied by cframe dot new 0 negative 1.5 apparently and 0. I don't know if that'll work. Attempted to connect failed. Past value is not a function. What? Let's just do a literal function so it just can't tell me off. Will this work? Okay. Instead of doing all of this, I give up. I'm just going to look it up. How to make a first-person game in Roblox.
Want to know how to make your game on Roblox first person? It's pretty simple. In Roblox Studio, click on the Starter Player Service and Workspace. In the Properties window,
I hate this. Ha! Okay. It's just a setting this whole time. Of course it is. Well, I don't even need a script. I do not even need a script, so get rid of that. Go to Starter Player. Oh wait, no, Starter Character. Where was it? Starter Player, that's right. And then, okay, lock first person. Alright, yeah, it works. But then the issue becomes that the mouse needs to move, right? The mouse needs to move. So what we need to do is figure out how to do that. So okay. Let's see if I can change the mouse lock. if I go, okay, so, alright. So, let's see. I need to figure out how in the world to, okay, so I'm going to say this script is going to be called mouse unlock. Then in here, we're going to say local player is equal to game.players.local, oh, not players, players.local player. Okay, then we make our function. We also got to do a connect. So game.getService, user input service, not user. I hate user service. Okay, user input service dot input began connect, and we're just going to leave that blank for now. Then we're going to make a function up here, local function, and we're going to call this unlock mouse. And then this is going to have no parameters. We're going to, well, actually, it needs parameters. We're going to say we're going to get the player. Oh, no. We're going to get the input and game processed. So if I connect this, you get unlock mouse. And then I just do that, and I print input. Will it do anything? Let's see. Yes, it will. Hooray. Okay, so we say if input dot key code is equal to enum dot key code dot, and then we'll say r. No, we'll say f. Then and then okay, hold up. So let's see how this functions. What makes the mouse lock here? Players, player GUI, free cam. What's this free cam script? Okay, not gonna worry about that. I do need to worry about that though. Player module, camera module. Let's see. Mouse lock control. Is this it? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make this very simple on myself. Instead of, so as you can see, the starter player, I'm not gonna make it lock first person, but it's going to zoom in by 0.5, and then 0.6 is going to be the maximum it can go. So if you see, oh, nope, still doesn't do anything. 1. Okay, we don't want that to happen, so we just gotta fine tune this value. No. No. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Okay, back to 128. Lock first person. So I am going to get a tutorial. How to make a mouse not unlock in first person Roblox Studio. Alright, let's see. Okay, you can create a screen GUI and add a frame to it. Set the frame. Okay. The modal property of the tick the modal property of the frame. Okay. Well, that works. So I go back into here. Dum 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 dum. Sorry, that sounded very strange. We're gonna call this mouse unlock GUI. Then in here, frame, the frame size is going to be 1. All right. Oh dear. Let me just do 1, 1. Wow, I'm so sorry if that hurt your eyes. Then we make the background transparency 1. So now if I play the game, no, oh wait, no, the modal property, I forgot. We also got to do that. So where's the modal property? Selection movement? Let's see, what does that do? No, still doesn't do anything. I don't know what the modal property is. Okay. Where is the modal property? Let me open this back up. Okay. Where is the modal property? Roblox Studio. Should be under data properties. Okay. Rotation? No. I'm not seeing it. It should be like down here. But it's not. Position? No. Huh. Oh, is it in here? Oh, wait. Maybe ignore GUI. Maybe that'll work. Nope. Still does nothing. Alright. Huh. Alright. I'm going to publish this quickly. And I'm going to exit out of here. I apologize. So you're not going to see my Roblox Studios, even though I'm not on the site anymore. So yeah, but it said that restarting Roblox Studio may help. So I'm going to try that. Seen one back yet? It is. Okay. So modal. No. Huh. Okay. Oh, so it's only buttons? Okay. Right, so I'll make a button instead. The text is going to be nothing. The border transfer or the background transparency is going to be nothing as well. The size is going to be 1, 0, 1, 0. So the entire screen. Modal. Don't know what that means, but yeah. Okay, and then no, it's not going to automatically hover over. Not going to be interactable. Okay. It works. Good news. Goody goody. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the frame, and now we have um, mouse unlocker. Alright, now we go back into starter player scripts, mouse unlock, and then we say, oh, we also gotta do some more variables, so local player GUI is equal to, it's going to take a little bit of time, so I apologize. Sorry if I'm not talking, I'm just like, I'm really, is the special kids, I like to call them, say lock in. Alright, mouse unlocker. The word mouse is starting to look weird to me. Okay. So let's see. If I go into here, it's all good, fine and dandy. But if I were to uncheck modal, no, it still works perfectly fine. Oh wait, no. Wait, I gotta do it in players. So modal's false. Okay. Oh no, nothing happens. Oh no, oh no. Okay. Quickly, I'm going to turn modal back on. No, I don't want to reset. If I go up here, okay, nothing happens. Alright, so now I can use this. Alright, cool. So, let's see, what else can I do? I'm going to get rid of the two tabs that I had open before. Alright, so now I'm going to make the script. So, okay, so we're going to say if. We also got to make a variable, so that's going to be above the actual the GUI. We're going to call this on is equal to false. So if on is equal to false, then else boom boom. All right. So now we do mouse unlocker dot modal is equal to true. Oh, it just did the code for me. Okay, cool. Alright, so if I do this, I can freely use my mouse. If I hit F, oh, back. Okay, yep, so now all I have to do is uncheck F, or uncheck modal for the mouse unlocker. And now we have a fully functioning mouse unlock script. Cool. And the game is first person. I'm going to change that obviously for the videos, or the parts of the video where I'm showing off my character. Or actually, wait a minute. You know what I could do? I can just go into the chair, and then go into the server and do it. Yay! Okay. Alright, so now we're also going to disable shift lock because there's absolutely no reason we need that. So starter players, oh, starter player, and then, okay, so they can't enable shift lock. This is good for us. Now I am going to make a special cursor for the game. So let's see, how does this cursor get put into the game? So let's go into my player, player scripts, player module, camera module, and let's see. Mouse, not mouse lock controller. What else could be? We'll look in mouse lock controller just in case, and we'll also look in camera module. Oh, so that's another way to write module scripts. I just learned something new. Let me show you guys what I learned. So before I was writing the scripts as in, let's say, we'll just say module dot Joe, right? We'll just say Joe is equal to function, and then I just put the function in. But instead, what you can do is literally just this function, whoa, and then you do the module name, so module, and then colon Joe, and then you just make the script. I'm pretty sure. This could be, I could be mistaken, but that's, yeah, it's what I think. Alright, so let's see. Mouse. Um, no, we don't need any of these. Set is mouse locked. No. No. Huh. Okay. Alright, so not in any of these. So I'm going to go into the base camera. And I'm also going to search up mouse. out of this. So I'm going to go into the player module. No. Okay, I need to look up cursor image value obj. What is this? Script find first child cursor image. Hmm. Okay, so back to Google it is. How to make a custom cursor Roblox Studio. Let's see.
Hey guys, I'm GamerMate. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very custom mouse cursor in
I'm
Roblox
going
Studio.
to quickly
First
watch this real quick. So I'm going to mute my mic and change the audio.
of all, we need to find an image that I want to use. So I'm going to go to the toolbox, then make sure we're in the Images tab. Then I'm going to search for mouse cursor. Then once you find an image, if you hover over it, then click on this icon. Then click on the three dots, and then click Copy Asset ID. So now if we go to Starting GUI, and then click on plus, and then if we add in a local script, then I'm going to name it to Custom Cursor. So first off, we need to make a variable for the mouse. So if you type in local, and then mouse, which is the variable name, and then equals to game.players, which is the play service. And then if you type in .local player, which is the player that the local script is running for, which is the client. And then we're going to be using the getMouse function to actually get the player's mouse. Now if you go down and type in mouse.icon, which is the mouse's image property, and then we're going to say equals to.
Okay, yet again, I was overcomplicating it. It is incredibly easy, all you do. So change mouse icon. What we're going to do is we're actually going to make another folder. This is going to be called mouse properties. And then we take these two and, oh dear, no. Okay, we take those two and put it into there. Alright, oh no, why did I put it into there? Mouse properties, okay. Now that we have it under there, we can do this. So local mouse is equal to game get service mouse service, and then we do mouse.icon. Wait, am I doing this right? Oh no, I'm not doing it right. Oops. Oh. I'm actually going to do two things. So local player is equal to players.local player. Then I do local mouse is equal to player dot get mouse. Alright, so now I do mouse.icon is equal to, and then we don't know yet, so we're gonna put a placeholder. And we're going to see how
and then
this
two
man
speech
does
marks, so it's a string. Then with string, we're going to type in RBX asset ID, and then colon, and then two forward slashes, and then we're going to paste in the image ID that we got before. So that's it for the script. Now we can.
Alright, so here's what we're going to do. I am going to go into scene 3. I'm going to open up MS Paint. And we're going to make a cursor, or actually a crosshair. So I want to do one that just looks very plain and simple. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to actually scale this down probably to like that, and then just copy it. Why can I not copy this? What the heck? No, I want it. Okay. I'm actually going to do a gray overlay. I want to just copy this. Why will it not let me? Okay, you know what? We're going to take from the asset bar. Mouse cursor. Not in audio, we're going to go into models. No, not maybe not models. Images. We'll say crosshair. Oh dear. Right, and then we're gonna use this one. I like it. Copy asset ID. So RBX asset ID colon / twice, and then paste the asset ID. We go into here, and it doesn't work. Hooray! Expected colon. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh dear, that's way too big. Okay. Well, we'll fix it in a second. Back in MS Paint we go. So we're going to view this in the browser. We are then going to take this. No. It's just way too big. I need one smaller. Huh. Mouse dot icon dot. No, can't do any of that. Mouse dot. No, we'll say. What? Alright, okay. So mouse, okay. No. Mouse dot. We can't, no, we can't do any of that. So, we are just going to find another crosshair that looks good. Am I? Yeah, I'm still there. Okay. Um. Ooh, I'll try this one. May look somewhat good. It's still pretty big. I don't know. I don't know about a custom crosshair here. I mean, the old one works pretty well, you know. I'm just going to not do that. So, going to do mouse unlock, put it out of there, get rid of all of that, and we have done it. Alright, so I go into here, I get into my beautiful seat, I do that, okay. So this is quite a strange look because it shows my name, but yeah, okay. So back to the end of the video, we're going to say day 1. Um, first person, and mouse unlock. And then I bubble it. And I'm going to get rid of first person and completely delete crosshair. Alright. So, I am going to get back into here. I know it's harder to show me, but this is me. I hope everyone has a quite wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.